Shubor naga Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills Ubadeiru Returning Officer jong ka Wan Shillong Parliamentary Constituency USC Sadhu mentakasngi kalai tarik ujalio arajar pasau ulaong bagi board district kila wengno ya ka jingpenjari ya ka section shispa sau CRPC ha ka district ulaong baladat ban penbiang lot ya ka jingdan kam barok Hapoh ka district kenang bakan nong ka jingyat bet yat renti ha ka Ñiew vote na ka benta barok ki seng san perthai usadhu ulaong baladat ban bu ya ki kendon ki an ban Shah Ïano ban Rung Hapoh ka Jaka Ñiew vote Khlem dayo Jingbit Shu usadhu ulaong wat lagi la penjensur ya ka section shispa sau CRPC Hapoh ka district handai hakate ka Jaka Ñiew vote kin pentrai kam namar Shah Ïano ban penthut hakate ka Jaka Ñiew vote
lifted. So what are the arrangements you are making?
So in fact for counting all arrangements have been made to ensure that counting is done efficiently and in a transparent manner involving all political parties. And for law and order, we have made elaborate arrangements in terms of in ensuring that no unauthorized person enters into the entire premises of the counting. And though we have latched the provisions of this initial order for 144 with respect to rallies and portions, all other provisions of that order are still intact. That is for the premises that is still in force to ensure that no forces or no person or groups disturb the counting process.
So why was it lifted?
So because we have consulted after issuing of the other many stakeholders, including the political parties and some other NGOs and traditional heads. They have given representation. They have approved us that it will to appeal to us to relax that particular provision of 144 for rallies and portions. And we, after discussing with all of them, we thought that we will relax to that extent, and at the same time we also appealed to them to ensure that this military portions and rallies should not turn out to be some law and order disturbance rallies. And they assured these political parties and all political parties and candidates, they have assured us that they will take enough measures from their side to ensure that no untoward incident happens during their rallies.
Sir, this 144 will be only imposed in the 100
yes, within the premises of this counting center.
So what about the security arrangements? If you can just
Already arranged here. So inner layer is manned by CAPF and outer layers are built by the state police. And the outer layer, from outer layer, it will be no vehicle zone. Only vehicles should not be entered in that 3-layer security area. Only vehicles with passes only will be allowed within this area.
This section is removed. Is there any particular instruction during procession, victory procession?
Yes, when we consulted the political parties and the contesting candidates, so the instructions would be that they have to give in advance to us in terms of what route they are going to take for these portions, and they have to deploy enough volunteers from their side, and they have to brief their teams that when they conduct these portions and rallies to ensure that that this rally should not disturb others and should not create any disturbances in terms of law and order.
how many males and female security?
That we will get details from the police, but around 450 to 500 police personnel are engaged in this law and order.
Sir, traffic
Restrictions. So children reach little late to accept it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.